Can you loop a song on Spotify without premium? Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. So if you're wondering if you can loop a song on Spotify without having the Spotify premium, we hate to break it, but sadly you cannot loop a song on Spotify without the premium. So as you can see, I have my Spotify without my premium package, and it does lacks the loop option. This is because the loop feature is specially designed for Spotify premium. So there might be some of the workaround to create a playlist and add multiple similar songs. However, if you have tried it, you will see that it does not allow you to add multiple songs that is the same song. So in a no way around, you will be able to loop a song on Spotify without premium. If you want to get a premium, at the bottom right corner, you will see the premium option. You can click on it. Then you can just go ahead and check out some of the available plan or even try a 1 month of free trial. However, it will require you to add your card details, but no need to worry, it will not charge you a penny until the free plan is over. We hope that you found it informative to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.